Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate random numbers in Excel step by step. This works on Windows, Mac, and the web version. First, click on any empty cell where you want your random number to appear. I'll use cell A1. You'll see the cell get highlighted with a border around it. Now type equals randbetween with an opening parenthesis. As you're typing, Excel's autocomplete feature will suggest the function. You can double-click it from the list, or just finish typing it yourself. After the opening parenthesis, type the lowest number you want in your range. This is the minimum value. For this example, I'll type 50. Next, add a comma to separate the arguments. Excel might show you a tooltip with the next parameter. Now type the highest number for your range. This is your maximum value. I'll type 500. Close the formula with a closing parenthesis, then press Enter. Excel immediately calculates and displays a random integer in your cell. Your complete formula should look like equals randbetween, open parenthesis, 50, 500, close parenthesis. If you want to generate multiple random numbers, click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. That's called the fill handle. Drag it down or across as many cells as you need. Each cell will display a different random number. Now, here's something you need to know about these random numbers. The randbetween function is what's called volatile, which means it recalculates every time Excel does anything. So your numbers will keep changing when you edit other cells, save the file, or even just scroll around. If you're using these numbers for a dataset or report and need them to stay fixed, you'll want to convert them to static values. To lock them in permanently, select all the cells with random numbers and press Ctrl+C to copy them. Then right-click the selected range and choose Paste Special, then Values. This converts the formulas to static numbers that won't change anymore. Alternatively, if you just need to convert a single cell, click in the formula bar at the top and press F9. That instantly converts the formula to its value. By the way, if you need decimal numbers instead of whole numbers, Excel has a rand function that generates random decimals between 0 and 1. But for most purposes, randbetween is what you'll reach for since it gives you control over the exact range of integers. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.